Are you tired of presentation software that feels stuck in the past? The endless file conversions, the compatibility nightmares, the lack of true real-time collaboration that actually works? What if I told you there's a new player on the scene? An innovation so profound it might just redefine how we create, share, and consume presentations forever? Today, we're diving into a project that recently exploded on Hacker News, sending shockwaves through the tech world. It's called Bento, and it promises to put an entire PowerPoint, with editing, viewing, data integration, and collaboration, all within one single HTML file. Yes, you heard that right. One file. HTML. Let's unpack this game changer. Bento emerged from the depths of innovation with a bold claim to simplify the complex world of presentations. Imagine a tool that eliminates the need for bulky software, expensive subscriptions, or even worrying about different versions. Bento isn't just a presentation tool, it's a paradigm shift. It encapsulates everything you need for a dynamic, interactive, and shareable presentation into a single, self-contained HTML file. This isn't just a save as HTML feature. This is the core architecture. When you create a Bento presentation, what you get is a lightweight, universal web document that can be opened in any modern browser, anywhere, anytime. This is what caught the attention of thousands on Hacker News, sparking discussions about the future of office productivity and web technology. Let's talk about the magic behind this. The single HTML file advantage. This is Bento's superpower. Think about it. No more sending massive folders with fonts, images, and embedded videos. No more worrying if your client has the right version of PowerPoint or Keynote. You just send one HTML file. It's incredibly portable, easy to share via email, cloud storage, or even a USB drive. And because it's HTML, it naturally renders in a web browser, meaning practically anyone with a computer or a smartphone can view it instantly, without installing a single piece of software. This is a massive leap in accessibility and convenience, making presentations truly platform agnostic. Imagine pitching an idea to an investor, and instead of fumbling with projectors or specific apps, you just open a browser tab. The simplicity is revolutionary. Editing capabilities. But Bento isn't just a viewer. It's a full-fledged editor. The team behind Bento has built an intuitive interface that allows for rich text editing, drag-and-drop functionality for elements like images, videos, and custom shapes. You can format text, apply styles, rearrange slides, and embed multimedia content seamlessly. It's designed to be as user-friendly as traditional tools, but with the underlying power of web standards. Developers will appreciate the ability to dive into the HTML and CSS if they wish, offering an unprecedented level of customization. But non-technical users won't be intimidated. It's a beautifully balanced approach, offering both simplicity and depth. Viewing experience. The viewing experience is modern and responsive. Bento presentations are designed to look great on any device. From a large monitor to a smartphone, they adapt elegantly, ensuring your message always comes across clearly. You can navigate through slides with smooth transitions, zoom into details, and interact with dynamic elements, making the audience experience much more engaging than static slides. It's built for the web, so it naturally leverages all the advantages of modern browser technology. Data integration, the game changer. Here's where Bento truly separates itself from the pack. Many presentation tools let you paste charts, but Bento allows for live data integration. This means your charts, graphs, and tables can be linked directly to external data sources. Imagine giving a quarterly report where the sales figures update in real time as new data comes in. or showing stock prices that reflect the current market. This isn't just about pretty visuals. It's about dynamic, intelligent presentations that evolve with your information. This feature alone could transform how businesses, analysts, and educators present data, moving beyond static snapshots to living, breathing insights. It brings the power of a dashboard directly into your presentation. Think about the implications for financial reports, scientific data, or even live event coverage. The data can be pulled from APIs, spreadsheets, or databases, making your presentations not just informative but truly interactive and up to the minute. Real-time collaboration. PowerPoint and Google Slides have collaboration, but Bento takes a unique approach given its single-file nature. Imagine multiple team members, all working on the same HTML file concurrently, seeing each other's changes in real time, just like a Google Doc. This is fundamental to Bento. Because the entire presentation is self-contained, collaboration becomes incredibly streamlined. There's no complex version control system to manage across different files or cloud storage accounts. The single file is the source of truth. This makes team projects, client feedback sessions, and joint presentations incredibly efficient. Edits are instant, conflicts are minimized, and everyone is always on the same page, literally within the same HTML document. This is particularly powerful for distributed teams or when working with external stakeholders. The ability to send a single file and have multiple people contribute without any setup or proprietary software is a game changer for workflow efficiency. Why it's a PowerPoint killer or a formidable challenger. Traditional presentation software, while powerful, often comes with baggage. 1. Software dependency. * You need specific applications installed. Bento only needs a browser. 2. File formats and compatibility. PPTX can cause issues. HTML is universally understood. 3. Static data. Most traditional charts are static images. Bento offers live data. 4. Collaboration